Good evening and welcome back to the Drummond channel. It's November 9th. We're going to do a quick update on the 10-year note, the Japanese yen, and take a look at the Nasdaq's move today. This is for Friday, November 10th. Don't know what kind of action we'll see tomorrow with most people are being off for Veterans Day. So let's get started. Let's get going with the 10-year note, and you can see this is a congestion entrance bar last week. And we're moving down at this point into the weekly PL refresh zone. So I'm expecting this area to be the depth of this retracement. And looking at the daily chart, you can see the cluster of support here with a 1-1 low monthly envelope bottom and the weekly PL dot. And so that's the lower range for tomorrow, and then we're going to see first of all daily PL dot, weekly envelope top up there, and then there's a 1-1 high and the daily envelope top. Probably be confined to that range. Look, going into next week, if this PL dot on the weekly chart does hold, we come in above the oncoming PL dot, then we're starting to look for this to continue to push up towards that monthly PL dot. For the Japanese yen, we're down here in the weekly 1-1 low area and that farther out support area. Today's daily 1-1 low, it's pretty close to holding on close, but it did break through that. And you can see that the farther out support area on the daily chart, these are now pushing down farther. So we're looking at these farther out support areas lining up, and we call that building a wall, and that is starting to fall apart. So the downward trend in yen has not slowed down yet. Also, looking at this on the daily chart, you can see these PL dots are still sloping down strongly. So for tomorrow, hang on a second, let me clean up this chart. Okay, for tomorrow, the target down here is the 1-1 low on the daily chart, and then down here into the farther out support area. I think it's getting awfully close to taking out this previous low from last week. And now I've added that 240-minute chart, and you can see that the PL dots had started to move sideways, and now they're starting to push back down again. And this is the area, the farther out support on the 240-minute. So there is still quite a bit of downside potential in this market. And lastly, on the Nasdaq, we pushed pretty close to that resistance area that we were talking about in the last update. The 1-1 high on the daily, that held today and entered into a congestion bar on the daily chart, and target for tomorrow, if there's that 1-1 low, and then good support here at the monthly PL dot and the weekly envelope top. So, and let me clean this one up as well. So tomorrow, we're looking at some good support area right down here, right not too far below where the market is, and keep an eye on that. If it does break through there decisively on those lower time periods, then we don't know. We might see this market getting down here towards the weekly PL dot, but that would be not expected, probably on fairly light trading tomorrow. So that's it for the Nasdaq. That's it for everything. And it's pretty quick. I just don't expect tomorrow to be a real eventful day with a lot of folks on holiday. If you have any questions, again, please post them. Keep the comments coming, and look forward to seeing you next time. Have a great weekend.